Ever notice how the right tool can turn a frustrating project into something that actually feels satisfying to finish? Today we're looking at a collection of woodworking tools designed to simplify common tasks, improve accuracy, and make everyday projects more efficient. These are practical tools that focus on saving time, reducing hassle, and upgrading the way you work in the shop or at home. 1. If you're working on small projects and switching between cutting, sanding, and engraving tasks, using different tools can slow things down. The Tilswall 160-watt rotary multi-tool kit is designed to handle a wide range of detail work with one corded electric rotary tool. It features a 160-watt motor with 6 variable speed settings ranging from 8,000 to 33,000 RPM, letting you adjust for different materials and tasks. The kit includes 107 accessories for cutting, sanding, carving, polishing, drilling, engraving, and cleaning, and the tool has an LED light on the handle to help improve visibility while you work, making it suitable for DIY projects, crafts, and general home use. 2. If you've ever struggled to line up boards or get consistent joints in woodworking projects, setting everything square can be frustrating. The Craig K4 Pocket Hole Jig is an adjustable pocket hole system designed to help create strong joints with more control and accuracy. It features easily adjustable drill guides and a 3-hole drill guide setup that works with materials from ½ an inch up to 1½ inches thick. The jig includes a large clamping recess to help keep your work secure, and the removable drill guide allows for both benchtop and portable use. It's a practical option for DIYers, home projects, and experienced woodworkers who want repeatable pocket hole joints. 3. If you're trying to clean up sharp edges or add a consistent chamfer to wood pieces, doing it evenly by hand can take time and effort. The Saker Chamfer Plane is a hand woodworking tool designed for quick edge trimming and corner flattening on wood. It features an adjustable cutting depth so you can control how much material is removed. And it comes with a combination upgrade that includes 6 cutter heads for different chamfering needs. The tool is made from alloy steel and aluminum, includes an auxiliary locator to help guide the cut, and is designed to be compact and easy to handle, making it suitable for woodworking tasks at home, in the workshop, or for more detailed finishing work. 4. If you're working on projects where small screws or nails keep slipping out of your hands or pockets, stopping to pick them up can break your workflow. The RAC Magnetic Wristband is a wearable tool accessory designed to hold screws, nails, drill bits, and small metal parts right on your wrist. It features powerful built-in magnets arranged across the band to keep items securely in place while you work. Made from durable ballistic nylon with an adjustable strap, it's designed to fit comfortably and allow quick access to hardware during home improvement, woodworking, electrical work, or general repairs, making it useful for both DIY users and experienced tradespeople. 5. When trimming small branches or handling light yard cleanup, using full-size tools can feel bulky and hard to control. The Saker Mini Chainsaw is a portable, cordless electric chainsaw designed for pruning tree branches and general household or garden tasks. It features a handheld design that's easier to maneuver in tight spaces and runs on a rechargeable battery, allowing for cordless operation. The kit includes the mini chainsaw, a battery, chain, charger, screwdriver, and oil bottle to support basic maintenance and setup. Its compact size makes it suitable for homeowners, gardeners, and anyone looking for a lightweight option for small cutting jobs around the yard. 6. When you need one ladder that can handle both indoor tasks and outdoor jobs, switching between different setups can be inconvenient. The Little Giant King Combo Professional Ladder is designed to work as both a 6-foot A-frame ladder and a 10-foot extension ladder using a single hinge design. It's made from fiberglass and rated Type 1 AA with a 375-pound weight capacity, supporting heavier tools and equipment during use. The ladder is built for professional applications, offering stable footing and versatility for maintenance, construction, and general home projects, while still being practical for homeowners who want a durable, multi-position ladder for a variety of tasks. 7. When you're marking measurements on wood, concrete, or hard-to-reach spots, a standard pencil doesn't always hold up or reach where you need it to. The Nick Pro Carpenter Pencil Set includes mechanical pencils designed for construction and woodworking tasks with a built-in sharpener and a deep hole marker tip for more precise marking. The set comes with 2 carpenter pencils and 26 refills in 2.8mm lead, including graphite and colored refills, all stored in a compact case. Built for heavy-duty use, these pencils are suited for carpenters, woodworkers, architects, and DIY users who need consistent, clear markings across different job sites and materials. 8. When you need accurate marking for cuts, joints, or measurements, regular pencils can be hard to use on tight edges or uneven surfaces. The Saker Multifunction Scribing Tool is a construction pencil and scribe gauge designed for precise layout work in woodworking and DIY projects. It's made from aluminum alloy and includes a deep hole pencil tip that helps mark hard-to-reach spots clearly. The tool functions as a scribe line marker and measuring aid, with an adjustable design that supports consistent spacing and repeatable marks. Built for durability and control, it's suitable for woodworkers, builders, and DIY users who want cleaner, more accurate layout lines during measuring and marking tasks. 9. When chisels or plane blades start to lose their edge, getting consistent sharpening angles by hand can be difficult. The Oxter Sharpening Stone with Honing Guide toolset is designed to support controlled sharpening for woodworking tools like chisels and hand planes. It includes a sharpening stone paired with a honing guide to help maintain a steady angle, along with a flattening stone to keep the surface even over time. Made with alloy steel components and featuring an ultra-fine grit stone, this set is intended for sharpening and restoration tasks where accuracy matters. It's suitable for woodworkers, hobbyists, and DIY users who want a guided approach to maintaining sharp cutting edges. 10. When feeding boards through a table saw, keeping the material steady and aligned can be challenging, especially during longer or repeat cuts. The Hedgehog Featherboard for table saws is designed to improve workflow by helping guide material smoothly along the surface of the saw. It features a spiral featherboard design with quick, one-hand adjustments using a single knob and pivot point, allowing you to position it easily as needed. The featherboard fits standard 3/4-inch miter slots and is intended for use on table saws, bandsaws, and router tables. With no blade involved and a compact, lightweight design, it's built to support more controlled, accurate cutting for woodworkers, hobbyists, and shop users working on a variety of projects. 11. When you need to make quick cuts without setting up a full-size saw, handheld options can make the job easier to manage. The Bosch Cordless Nano Blade Saw Universal Cut 18V 65 is designed for fast, freehand cutting in wood and plastic using nanoblade technology. It operates on an 18-volt battery system and offers a maximum cutting depth of 65 millimeters, supporting a range of light cutting tasks. The saw features a vibration-free cutting experience and maintenance-free blade design, helping improve control during use. With its compact, cordless design, it's suited for DIY projects, home improvement tasks, and users who want a portable cutting tool for everyday applications. 12. When you're fitting flooring, trimming around pipes, or working with uneven edges, copying complex shapes accurately can be a challenge. The Jorest Connectable Contour Gauge is designed to duplicate profiles and outlines for more precise measuring and marking. This set includes connectable 5-inch and 10-inch contour gauges that can be combined into a 15-inch length, giving you flexibility for both tight spaces and larger objects. It features a built-in locking mechanism to hold the shape in place once it's captured, helping improve accuracy during transfer. Designed for tasks like tile flooring, scribing edges, and general DIY work, it's suitable for home improvement projects, woodworking, and handyman use. 13. When working with different bolt sizes, switching between multiple wrenches or constantly adjusting jaws can slow things down. The Loggerhead 8-inch Bionic Grip Adjustable Wrench is designed to combine the function of an adjustable wrench with the squeezing action of pliers for easier gripping. It features a symmetrical bionic grip that automatically adjusts as you squeeze, allowing it to grab pipes, fasteners, and fittings within its stated size range without manual adjustment. The wrench is 8 inches long, lightweight, and designed for one-handed operation with cushioned handles for comfort. It's suited for home repairs, DIY projects, and general maintenance tasks where versatility and quick adjustments are useful. 14. When cutting flexible materials like carpet, shingles, or vinyl flooring, standard blades can struggle to make clean, controlled cuts. The Talisa Oscillating Multi-Tool Hook Knife Blade Set is designed for cutting soft materials such as roofing shingles, PVC flooring, carpet, and cardboard. This set includes 5 hook-style multi-tool blades made from alloy steel, shaped to help pull through material smoothly during oscillating cuts. The blades are designed for use with oscillating multi-tools and focus on controlled cutting rather than plunge cutting. With a simple, durable design, this blade set is suitable for flooring work, renovation tasks, and general DIY projects where soft material cutting is required. 15. When installing cabinet hardware or drilling repeated holes, keeping measurements consistent and aligned can be tricky with basic rulers. The Saker 4-in-1 Drilling Positioning Ruler is a multifunctional T-square tool designed to help with accurate marking and hole positioning for woodworking and cabinet projects. It features an adjustable design with a 13.78-inch graduation range, allowing it to work as a drilling guide, marking gauge, and cabinet hardware jig. Made from aluminum, the ruler includes clear measurement scales and adjustable positioning blocks to support precise layout work. It's designed for tasks like cabinet drawer and door hole drilling, woodworking layouts, and general DIY projects, making it useful for both home users and experienced woodworkers. If you want to learn more about any of the tools you saw, you'll find the product links in the video description below. Use them only if a tool truly fits your needs. And just so you know, the channel may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. Thanks for watching. I appreciate you spending your time here, and I'll see you in the next video.